Okay, you guys, so I am out. I'm going for a walk. I ran earlier, but now that I'm walking home, I'm just gonna walk back. I'm almost to my house, but I think I'm gonna start doing this every day. I used to do this every day last fall and winter, and I just felt better. I just felt thinner. I just felt healthier, all that jazz. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna continue with it. So anyway, I'm just gonna continue my walk and maybe I'll start running back, but I don't know, we'll see. So I need to do that. I'm also, what else? Oh, I went to Dee Dee's earlier, so I will do a fall haul, but all my clothes are black, you guys, because that's all I could wear to work, and I'm certainly not gonna spend all kinds of money on colored clothes when I can't even wear them. FYI, it's really cold today. I think it's like 40 degrees, and that's really cold for New Mexico. Like, that's not a hot day. So anywho, so that's what I'm looking forward to. So I'll show you guys what I bought. Like I said, I have to just wear black, so that kind of stinks, but that's the story of my life, is I have to do that. So I don't know, so if you're maybe a hairdresser or you do makeup or whatever it is, you might enjoy like an all black haul, or you may just love to wear all black. But anyway, I was gonna do a video in Dee Dee. There was just kind of a lot of people in the dressing room, and I didn't want to be like that annoying person taking forever in the dressing rooms. Like, there wasn't so much a lot of a lot of people, like shoppers. There was a lot of employees, so I didn't want them to get the idea that I was just like trying on clothes in their dressing rooms and taking a video. So anyhow, I'm almost home. So on the next clip, I will be home, and I will talk to you all very soon. This side. Is that better? There we go. Let's be smart. Okay, so anyway, I'm just gonna do a few dishes over here. Just a few. And then I am going to put the dishes away and finish cleaning my house. So I went to Dee Dee's because I had to return this dress. I accidentally bought a dress in a size large, and I either needed a small or a medium in the dress. So I bought a large, and I went to go take it back. So instead of like driving or whatever, instead of having like Nate take me or whatever, I decided just to run because it's a mile to and from. I've timed myself before. So that's what I did, was I went on a little run today. I ended up walking back most of the way, not for any other reason other than, it's not like I was tired or anything like that. I just thought, I might as well I'm just gonna walk back. Which was kind of dumb because now I'm gonna be scrambling to pick up the house. I usually like to have the house clean and picked up by the time my kids get home from school. And that's by like 2. My little guy gets home at 2, and like 2:15ish, and I like to have the house pretty much clean by then. And it's just because it's easier to clean when like I'm by myself. That's it. No, not for any other reason other than I like to clean like alone. I like when the house is empty and I can just do my thing just by myself, right? I know I can't be the only person that feels like that. So anyway, I haven't like done anything. We got so sick last week, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Do you guys see that? I burned myself with a curling iron. Anyway, last week was so fucking depressing. It was like awful, you guys. All of us got so sick. My husband got super sick. I mean, he got it, I believe, the worst out of all of us. My kids were sick. I was so like weak and just like depressed. It was like the weirdest flu ever. Oh, it was just like the worst. So that's why I didn't film anything or anything like that with you guys, because I was just so like depressed. I was thinking to myself, oh my God, am I ever gonna be normal? Am I ever gonna feel like a normal person? I don't know. Like, what the hell? Sorry, let me move you guys. So like I said, everybody got really sick, and last week was just a big like thud, like just a bummer. It was like the worst. Oh my God, I have like 12 of these Nutter Butter bars. My kids do not eat them. They do not like them. I'm like, why? What's wrong with them? Dip them in milk. They're delicious. No, nobody likes them. Nobody wants to eat them. They're just no bueno. No one's having them. I am just finishing up here. how are you guys doing? Is everybody doing well? Everybody, oh, you can see how ugly my mess is in my back area there. This thing, that big thing right there, do you guys see it, that thing? That thing is we need to get rid of it. I should probably try selling it like on OfferUp or something. But basically, it's just a basketball like hoop thing. It has like two hoop things. But my kids just don't use it, which is weird. I don't know why they don't. They should. I bet you if I would take it out, like they would play with it. But you know how that goes. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down here on my floor because I'm gonna put these inside my cabinets here. And you guys can see my ugly cabinets. I was gonna show you, but I'm too embarrassed, so I'm not going to. Okay, so you guys, I think I am going to come back and have a more interesting like next clip because this is really boring. This is my hat though, you guys. I got this hat. It was only $7.99 and I got it from Dee Dee's the last time I was there, but it's an authentic, it had the tags, everything. It is an authentic Nike hat, and the back just looks like this. So I was really excited to find it. I think it's really cute actually. But okay, you guys, so now I brought you into my son's room, and I am just in here making his bed and stuff like that. So this is just a total cleaning day. I am so dumb. I really wish I would have filmed when I was at the store earlier. Like, that was so silly. You guys would have probably enjoyed that. Maybe, I don't know. I was going to say maybe I'll go back this week sometime, but I probably won't. One time a week, that's usually like, you know, enough. If not, I'll end up like spending more and more money, and that's not always good. I don't know about you guys, but this time of year, every year, we go like broke. Like we get so behind, like we're not behind on bills or anything broke. I'm not saying broke like that. I'm saying broke as in like we don't have any extra money because all we do is, I don't know, it just like happens every year. And it's so dumb. I don't know like how we let that happen. And it's just because, I guess it's like towards the end of the year and you know how it goes. And then we're able to start saving again, like as it gets like, you know, after the new year, after the holidays and all that. And then it's not so bad again. But it's just so hard when it's just that time of year. That's all. Like, I don't know if you guys go through that type of thing or if there's a time of year that you're always having like, oh my God, I need more money, money, money. But I don't let it get me down. I don't worry about money. I know that God provides. He provides for us. So I don't have to worry. I know that everything will get taken care of. And that's just a given, right? As long as I have faith and I know that God will never let us go hungry, and we'll get taken care of. That's all that's important. So my faith tells me that, and it's never steered me wrong. It's never did me wrong, and it's always just been the truth. That's all. So anyway, I'm just picking up his room. I need to go get a bag for his trash because I threw the trash earlier. So I am going to go get a bag and I will be back. Okay, y'all. So now I'm in my guest bathroom. I'm just gonna, or not my guest bathroom. Yeah, the guest bathroom, the hall bathroom. I'm just in there now and I'm just gonna start cleaning the restroom. So I think the reason why I got so behind like on my like cleaning and all that was because we were so sick last week. So I only got to really clean my house like a lot was last Monday, and then I didn't get to do anything else after that. So because I was just so ill. So anyway, that's why my house, I got a little bit behind on cleaning because yeah, I just got so super sick. So anyway, that's what I'm working on now. My son is gonna be home super duper. This towel smells clean. All we do is dry our hands on it. Okay, you guys, so now I'm just gonna clean down the counters with some wipes, Clorox wipes, the off-brand, just like I did last time. And Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. This is so funny. I can't believe this turned into like another cleaning vlog. I hope you guys don't mind these. I hope you guys like let me know if you find these boring, because I'll switch it up. I just don't like, on my first like Mondays, like the days that I'm off, I just don't do a lot. Like this is what I do, is I clean my house, because it's so important to me that my house is decent, right? And it's not always perfect. Like obviously it gets messy and all that jazz, but I just hate for like Nate to come home from a long day at work. I hate to come home from a long day at work and the house is just trashed. Like I can't. Like it just puts me in the worst like mood kind of. So now that that's done, I can start to you know, like dry this off and all that jazz. And then I'm just gonna put everything back on the counter. So I have this nice vanilla. Oh God, it smells so good. I can smell it even with the lid on. I have a vanilla candle. I have their mouthwash, which is basically AJ's. It's Star Wars. I have all of the toothbrushes. I have a cup to brush your teeth. And then I also have the soap. This soap is like a honey soap. Oh, it smells so beautiful. And then I have another candle that I'm actually going to not use because it's practically done, but I think what I'm going to do is cut or put this in the freezer. That way I can clean it out and then just have this thing. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I'm just going to do that. Okay guys, so this is my clean kitchen. I finished cleaning everything. This is my clean dining area. Those are just like snacks and stuff for like the kids, for their lunches, things like that. I don't have that much room like in our pantry area, so I keep a lot of that stuff in here. And then this is my den, or my dining room, my living room. Hello people. This is the living room, which looks fabulous. This is our skulls. We love skulls. We always have them up. Anyway, let's see. Wrong light. Okay, bathroom's clean. Top notch. Everything's done there. Floor's vacuumed. One of my son's rooms is all clean. Ready for liftoff. Just kidding. I don't know what that means. Anyway, son's room's. Okay, so I'm in Walmart right now. I'm just walking around with Nate Dog. And we are looking at wisps and bananas. Right, you guys, so I just wanted to do a quick outro. I left very abruptly when we were at Walmart. Basically, we did nothing the rest of the night. We came home and Nate made dinner. I may insert a pictorial. Because the dinner was so yummy. It was delish. I don't know why I clap like that. It's so odd. So, sorry for you if you don't like it. I'm just kidding. Sorry but not sorry type thing. JK. Anywho, I just wanted to address the fact that I am going to be doing a haul, and I'll probably do a try on, but for sure a haul of those Didi's clothes that I told you I bought, of the black clothes. So I will do that. I'm excited to do that and get that up for you guys, but I'm going to do it on a separate video rather than this one being so drawn out and so long. But I am very excited to get that out, but I do want to get this video. So we'll just do that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, but I wanted to do an outro and just make it right. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you all in the next vlog. Bye guys. See you later.